Hey guys, I'm getting set up. You will see this top multiple times. It's actually a shirt dress. Check me out on Instagram if you want to see the full outfit. Anyways, if you're new, hey, thanks for tuning on in. We're getting back to some OG content. If you just watched my last video, if you are new to my channel, if you did not watch my last video, I was just saying I am expanding my content to things like weekly vlogs, mental health content, coaching content, things like that. I'll be posting my podcasts on here. Check me out on Instagram. It'll explain everything. So that should be down below. If not, it's at Coach Ansley. Ansley is spelled like my name, A-N-N-S-L-E-Y. So anywho, I just finished filming some of the products that I'm going to show you guys. This is a drugstore makeup and skincare haul. I have been doing a couple of hauls recently. There are some more to come. I don't like buying things for the sake of like YouTube. Just gonna put that out there. But I have been changing my skincare routine pretty drastically. So there are a couple, I think there's one more haul that's coming up. Anywho, let's jump into it. So the video I just filmed, highly recommend you guys check it out, is makeup for acne prone skin. Give this video a thumbs, makeup. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see the skincare version, because the skincare routine I have for my acne is very, very different than what I do daily for just getting my skin to look the way it looks now, because it looks really good. Also give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see my general skincare routine and an Aesop skincare review. Just let me know what you want to see down below. Also, if you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thank you for coming back. I appreciate the support, especially as I'm transitioning content, which I was saying in my last video, I've already lost a couple followers. I guess y'all don't want vlogs. Anyways, for acne, this is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Concealer with hyaluronic acid. I don't, like, it feels very weightless and slightly cooling under the eye, and it's pretty much my complexion. So I like it a lot. I am also gonna set my face with some powder because I'm starting to feel a little oily. Not oily, but like it's hot out. I'm sweaty and gross. So this is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Powder. I really like it. There we go. Alrighty, anywho, next is the foundation. This is the Almay Clear Complexion Makeup Make Myself Clear. This is the shade 800 Caramel. The concealer was in the shade Deep 50. So this also looks really good on my skin. I was a little worried that it wouldn't match. No, it's fine. I was to say it's a little bit lighter than my chest, but my face is lighter than my chest. So that has 2% salicylic acid. And the last thing I got, which it's a little bit lighter than me. So it only kind of matters for like acne like this, where it's white versus like where it's red. This is 0.5% salicylic acid. It's the Neutrogena Skin Clearing with Micro Clear Technology. So I just filmed that video. Check it out if you want to see me putting it on, what my skin looks like with my acne. I had a really bad acne flare-up that just freaked me out. And I struggle with not picking at my skin, which is not great. I know this, no need to comment. I got it, I'm working on it. So yeah, I've actually been able to clear up my acne much faster using the skincare routine. So definitely comment down below or give this a thumbs up if you would like to see that, because shit works. Anywho, with the skincare kind of theme here, we're gonna transition to pure skincare. I got that stuff out of CVS. I got these two out of Walgreens. I exfoliate a lot, and I think I've damaged my skin's like moisture barrier. So I have a kitten if you hear a bell. So this is the L'Oreal Revitalift Derm Intensive 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And this is the Le Roche-Posay. I'm probably butchering that / saying a dirty word. It's the Toleraine Double Repair Moisturizing Cleanser. It's oil-free, non-comedogenic, fragrance-free, and it's got ceramides and niacinamide. I used these last night. My skin didn't necessarily feel overly hydrated when I woke up. I'm gonna cool off with my current skincare routine, except for one product that'll just help resurface my skin. and help with my hyperpigmentation. But other than that, this is tacky, but it dries down pretty great. So it says immediately, what you'll notice is deeply replenishes hydration, skin feels more plump, supple, and smoother looking. Week 1 returns youthful, bouncy feel to skin. Skin feels firmer, more elastic, visibly refreshes skin to look well rested and glowing with moisture. Week 2 visibly improves line and wrinkles. So yeah, that is that. The actual product and this actual product are sitting over in my bathroom, so I'm not gonna get this out. The Double Repair Moisturizer doesn't say much. It just helps to replenish essential skin lipids, restore skin natural moisture barrier, and immediately comfort the skin. So Aesop is coming out with a product. It's currently August. Mid to late September, they're coming out with a product that's going to replenish the skin's barrier specifically. That's what it's designed for, but I can't really wait until then. I want to work on my skin. Stop, mama. That's weird. Anyways, cats. So anyways, I did not want to wait until then. And yeah, I mean, I don't want more acne. I want to take care of my skin. I think you'll see a video later. I just started Weight Watchers, and I think incorporating more fruits into my diet broke me out. I did try a rose mask from Tony Moly. I also think that broke me out because those are the only 2 differences in my overall skin regimen. So anywho, this is something that I actually bought with my own money, and I say that because I get PR from Pixie, and they sent me a package of these. This is the Glow Glycolic Boost Sheet Mask. I swear by this. I will try products, but I rarely make a definitive recommendation to you guys. This is one I would definitively recommend. It's got glycolic acid, ginseng, and witch hazel. It brightens your skin immediately, and you look like a boss when you wear this. I just love this mask. So this is the 3-pack. I think it was about $10. I think this is about $10. I will happily pay $10. I think because I love these so much, I'm only gonna limit myself to once a week. Otherwise, that's a lot of $10 bills. But I love this. It works best if you put it in the fridge, not the freezer. So it's nice and cooling on your skin. If you watch one of my vlogs, I'm actually wearing this. So it has a lot of serum in it, and the sheet mask is very thin, which I appreciate. So the mask isn't soaking up all the skincare, but this right here is the business. All right, and the last thing I have is a makeup tool. I haven't opened it yet. This is a smudger brush from e.l.f. I actually don't own a lot of e.l.f. brushes, but I now want to start smudging under my eye, that area. I don't know, under eye, sugar, I don't know. Anyways, I bought this brush, and yeah, I'm probably gonna use it later in a video. Stick around, I'm filming a video with the Honey palette from ColourPop. Also comment down below. I've done one on Orangey Glad, but I have most of them. I have bipolar disorder, and I was manic at 4 in the morning, and I compulsively shopped and bought a bunch of stuff. So that's that. If you watch some of my new content though, I will be talking about mental health. So you will learn more about that. But if you have any questions about that specifically, check out my vlogs. I talk a lot about it. Check me out on Instagram, talk a lot about it there. Send me a message, DM me, let's chat. So yeah, so that is the haul. I want to keep this under 10 minutes, so I'm so close. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Thank you for checking out my OG content, getting back into the swing. People are not liking these vlogs. So let me get on here, post something else. There's an Ulta haul that should already be out by now. I'm doing a Target haul today, and I am filming a video about Weight Watchers. So all that content will be up soon. Take care, have a great rest of the day. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, notification bell. I have noticed some people are turning on notifications, which makes my heart smile. Anywho, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.